Okay, Steve, getting ready to start on your radio. I want to make sure that it's working good. So I'm testing it out here before I start taking it apart. Okay, more to come. Here's how I mounted the switches. There's your SP1A. I've already adjusted it. The radio's been tuned and aligned. It is exactly on frequency with my Yazoo. Okay. Disconnect this so I can turn the radio around. Alright, the way I've got the switches set up, and I will label these, but this is your amp on-off switch. That's the internal amplifier, this one. That's what it controls. This will be your driver for the new amplifier that I'm building for you. But that's the amp switch for the internal amp. This is the SP1A. Let me turn the scanner down a little bit. This is your SP1A control right here. On all of these, up is on, down is off. Okay. This is your Lescom RCI noise filter, and this one is your high cut. Okay, so high cut, Lescom Ranger noise filter, SP1A, and internal amp control. This one. Like I said, there's your SP1A. It's mounted on the back there with automotive double-sided tape, 3M. Here's a view from the back side. I've got the wiring all dressed. There's a little bit of slack in that yellow wire down along the side there. Okay, I want the slack up here, not down along there. But filters in there. I've upgraded the capacitors. That was a 1000, it's now 4700. This one was a 1000, it's now 3300 or 3300. Okay, there's your max mod. And like I said, I've put the 20 kilohertz wide FM filter in here. I had to remove this cover and put it in there. The clarifier modification has been done. So your clarifier moves transmit and receive. It's not just a RIT anymore. And of course I used connectors on connecting the SP1A. So something happens to your SP1A, or you decide you don't want to use it anymore, you just unplug that connector right there and plug it back into here. Plug this one back in to the board there. Okay. Alright, and this is internal amp control, SP1A control, Lescom Ranger noise filter, or RCI noise filter, and high cut. Alright. I'm on 27205, and of course I'm in a dummy load. I have a 250 watt slug on that side, so we'll be reading on the top scale on the RMS meter. I have a 500 watt slug on the peak side, so we'll be reading on the center scale. The multiplier is set to times 1. Okay, so we'll be reading on that center scale. Full deflection on the meter, on the peak meter on the right, is 500 watts. And I'm on AM. Amplifier is on. SP1A is on. Hello, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio. Okay, so that's about 100 watts RMS. And is that about 250 peak? Audio, hello, audio, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 audio test. Now, I know you requested the 2030 pluses, but I decided to give you my new Z06s. Okay, I think they're a little bit better than the 2030 plus. Sure seems to be producing a lot more RF, of course, than the stock ones. But the stock ones are our IRL 520s. So this is a major upgrade. Hello, audio, hello, audio. Alright, let me turn the SP1A off. Audio, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So your average drops a little bit. And when I turn the SP1A back on, watch the peak meter. Audio, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm talking into a stock RCI microphone. Well, my test microphones I've got here on the bench. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Audio testing, testing audio. Audio, hello. And I'm running it off of the AC power supply. It does not have, this radio does not have a DC input. Okay, so if you lose your power supply, you're screwed. Radio won't work. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Audio, hello, audio. So, okay, and let's see if we cut the amplifier off. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Still got quite a bit of power coming out of it for just running on the driver and final that's inside the radio. There's only a driver and a final inside the radio, and these are both still IRL 520s. Okay, so that does pretty good. All right. I wanted to show you the filtering. Now, of course, I don't have the noise blinker on. Let me find the noise blinker. There it is. Alright, so even with the noise blinker and ANL on, you still get that frying noise. And I'm connected to a dummy load. Okay. So that noise is generated inside the radio, it sounds like. But here's the high cut. Oh, I'm sorry, the high cut is on and the Ranger noise filter is both on. That's noise filter off, high cut off. This is what you'll be listening to normally if you don't have those filters. High cut. Less calm noise filter. High cut off. Less calm noise filter off. Okay. You're probably going to want to run these like that all the time. Now, there's no DX tonight, or I'd be able to show you that. Let's see. Both off. Okay, now I'm just going to turn on the less calm noise filter. And now the high cut. So if you run both of those on, it's tolerable to listen to. Alright, I think I'm finished with it. I got to go back and check your build sheet and make sure that I've got everything. And if I do, then I'll put the covers on it and be back. There's the labeling on the back above the switches. Now I don't have a tag for the SP1. But you know that the one without the tag is the SP1. And I might go print out a label and put it across the top back here, just so that you can see what switch is where from the front of the radio. There's the labeling. Pretty easy to see from the front. Now, these will peel off pretty easy. If you don't like them on there, just peel them off. Okay, but that way you can see which switch does what from the front of the radio. Okay, the jack that says REC plus 12 volts, that's 12 volts for your fans. Okay, when you turn the radio on, the fans come on. This gold jack is the one that I installed. That's your direct key jack. You'll connect this directly to the amplifier. I will provide the cable for it. This keys your amplifier when you key the radio, and when you unkey the radio, it unkeys the amplifier. Okay, that's why it's called direct connect. Okay, here it is all lit up. This is a nice looking radio, boy. Got every feature that board has installed on the front panel here. Okay, now you can see the labeling back there in the corner, and my light is the reflection from the white is too much, but you can see it from the front of the radio real easy. Yeah, it's 3:30 in the morning, and I'm hearing some chatter on 38. But, Steve, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody.